given the exponential equation. So the 3 there is just for stretching, and then the asymptote, that's the second term. Second term is asymptote, so that's -6, and that is vertical shift 6 units down. So that's our asymptote there. And then for range, we have the y is greater than -6, so that's the range. So y is an element of -6 to positive infinity. Or you can also say that y is greater than -6, so it's never going to go less than that. And then determine the coordinate of intercept. So we have y-intercept. Y-intercept, x has to be 0, and then we have our original equation there. Y is equals to that equation, so that is 3 half to the power 0 minus 6, and then any number to the power 0 is 1 and minus 6, so we have 3 minus 6 giving us -3. So that's our y-intercept. So it cuts y at -3. So y-x-intercept, you have to relate y is equals to 0. So relating y is equals to 0, we go back to the equation. 0 is equals to, we have 3 half to the power x minus 6, and that will mean that we have 6, so we take -6 to the left, becomes positive. So 6 is equals to 3 half to the power x, and then we divide both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, we have 6 divided by 3 is 2, and we have our equation as 2 is equals to half to the power x, and we can write half in the base 2, so 2 is equals to 2 base 2 to the power -1. So that means 2 is equals to power 1, and 2 is equals to power -x on the right. So the exponents are the same when the base is the same. So 1 is equals to -x, and x is equals to -1. So that's our x-intercept. So with that information, let us keep the data together. We have x is equals to -1, that's our intercept. Okay, so we also have solving for y there. We know that x is -1. Okay, it's not no x intercepts x -1. X is -1, which means x is negative. Okay, so it's a negative exponent, and then x-intercept is also -1, and then y-intercept is going to be -3 there. Y is going to be -3 y-intercept, and asymptote is -6. So asymptote is where the graph will not pass through. That's asymptote, and then y is -6. So with that information, we can sketch the graph. We have 0 there, and that's the y axis, and then we have cut it there, so that's -6 there, and that's -3. So that's our asymptote, yeah, and then the line goes close to there, and then yeah, so we have x-axis, y-intercept is -3, x-intercept is -1, and we're done. That's it. We have all the points there, asymptote, intercepts, and correct. So 3 marks. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe.